Unit 1 Assessment Part 2. Choose the correct answer. Point number 4. 3.5 plus 4 and 3/4. I need now to add these two mixed number. Look at that. We have 3.5 plus 4 and 3/4. Directly we know that two mixed number. I start with the number first, then the fractions. If I add 3 plus 4 equals 7, it's okay, but I need to add half plus 3/4. Now we note that we have two unlike denominator, so I need to make it the same. Okay. Now 3, 4, it's okay, but the fraction here have two unlike denominator, 2 and 4. Yes. Now when we find two unlike denominator like 2 and 4, we have three cases. I need to find LCM, right? Okay, but before prime factorization, I note that 4 is a multiple of 2, that 2 times 2 equal 4. So 4 is a multiple of 2, right? Okay, now I can find that the LCM of two number, one of them is a multiple of the other, so the log common multiple is the biggest one or the greatest one. Now I can find that I have to make it 4 as the LCM without a prime factorization. Okay, because 2 is equal to 2 times 1, okay, and 4 is equal to 2 times 2. Forget that one. Now LCM is equal to, take 1 to here, times 2 equal 4. Okay, directly we can use that abbreviation, so I know that 4 is a multiple of 2, so I choose 4 to be my like denominator. Now 4 there is no change at that fraction, so 3 is same, but here 2 becomes 4. 2 to become as 4 need to multiply it by 2, so multiply numerator 2. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 1 times 2 equal 2. Now I have two mixed number with a fraction with like denominator, 4 and 4. I can do it. Plus 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 4 choose 1, 4. Now I find that this is a mixed number, but we have a fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction, why? Because 5 is greater than 4. Now I can find that I have to change it to proper fraction. How? Like that. Equal 7 plus 5 over 4. Okay? Equal 7 plus. Now I have to regroup 5 to a number multiple 4. 4 plus 1 divided 4, right? Equal 7 plus. Now I will distribute 4 plus 1 divided 4. I take 4 divided 4 first, plus 1 divided 4. Okay, equal 7 plus. 4 over 4 equal 1. Any number divided itself is equal to 1, plus 1 over 4. Now I can add 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1 over 4 is a proper fraction. A whole number and a fraction as improper, I can put them beside each other as a mixed number. Now look at the choose. We find it here. Next, LCM of 7 and 14. Directly I can note that 14 is a multiple of 7. I just told you when I find two numbers, one of them is a multiple to the other, directly I can guess the LCM is the greatest one because it's a multiple of the other. Okay, now I cancel that. 7 and 14, the LCM of the two numbers here is the biggest one, is 14. Okay, next, 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7. It's all plus and it's all with like denominator. Now I can just take just one denominator, 7, and adding each numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 4 equals 10. If I look at the choose here, I will not find any choose as my answer because my answer as a fraction, but it's improper fraction. The numerator is greater than denominator, so I have to turn it into a mixed number by regrouping 10 to divide it by 7. 10 equals just 7. Okay, plus and the remainder of the 10 is 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10 over 7. Now I can distribute it. 7 over 7 plus 3 over 7. It's okay. Equal 7 over 7 equal 1 plus 3 over 7. Now I have a whole number plus fraction, proper fraction. I can put them beside each other as a mixed number. Look at the choose. Yes, that's the correct answer. Point 7. The opposite Venn diagram represents prime factorization of two numbers. then GCF of them. We learned before that the Venn diagram, we draw two circles. Every circle for a number. Here is a number and the other number is the other circle. I can find out the two numbers. How? By multiplying all the factors and add the circle. Here the first circle have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. The first number was 12. The next number, the other number, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. Here I don't know if I need to know the two number. I don't need that because he asked me about the GCF, just to see the GCF. We learned before the GCF, the Venn diagram, is to multiply the common factors. The common factors here is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equal 6. 6 is the GCF from this Venn diagram. Next, question number 2, complete. Number 1, 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. Direct, it's adding operation between two fractions with unlike denominator. So I need to change this operation to be between a fraction with like denominator. To find the like denominator, look at 4 and 5. 4 and 5, I find that there is no one multiple for the other. Okay, so the second way to look at them clearly, is any of the two number is a prime? Yes, 5 is a prime number. So to find the LCM, just multiply the two number because 5 is a prime. So the LCM directly is 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay, without factorization the two number. Now I can set the 20 would be my like denominator, and 5 to become 20 times 4. So 3 times 4 equal 12, and 4 times 5 equal 12 equal 20. So I have to multiply 1 times 5. 1 times 5 equal 5. Now I can make the adding operation with the like denominator 20 and adding the two numerator. 12 plus 5 equal 17. Look at that. This is proper fraction. Right? So we finish the question. Question number 2. 8 plus 12 equal 4 times bracket 2 number between plus sign. Easily, it's the distributive property. I need to 8 plus 12, 4 times a number equal 8 and 4 times a number equal 12. What's the number times 4 equal 8? 2. What's the number times 4 equal 12? Just 3. Next is a multiple of any number. What's the number is a multiple of any number? Of course we know it's 0. Why? Because 0 times any number like n equal 0. Whatever the number is, 1, 2, 3, 4, the result will be the same, 0. So we know from other here that the multiple of any number is 0. And we know that the GCF, or the common factor, of any two number is 1, because 1 times any number n equal the same number. Question number 4. The opposite Venn diagram represents prime factorization of two numbers, then GCF of them. Look at this Venn diagram. We know that GCF, by using the Venn diagram, is the factors in the common space, or the common factor multiplying them. Here we can find that we just have 3. So directly we can say that the GCF is 3. To be sure about that, let's say, what's the number here from the first circle? 5 times 2 equal 10, 10 times 3 equal 30. What's the number here? Now I haven't any factors here. Maybe 1 times 3 equal 3, just 3. 3 and 30 just have a common factor 1 or 3. 1 or 3. 1 is a common factor of all the number, and 3 is the common factor between 3 and 30, and it's the end of part 2, and thank you.